Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tyler with TarverAcademy.com, and we are here learning about Google. We are learning about Google. If you could please hit the red subscribe button next to this video, I would really appreciate it. And that way you can find this or videos like this if you need help with Google for education in the future. And here we go. So we are in Google Keep, keep.google.com. This is where you can make notes, reminders. You can do different tasks you need, lists, ideas, everything. Picture it like your digital post-it notes that sync across, all of your devices. So today we are wanting to talk about adding media and sharing notes in Google Keep. So I'm going to take a note, start a new one. I'm going to call it Tyler Tarver. That's my name, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to take notes. He is a human. He wears shirts. He is very specific. That's dumb. Okay. I'm sorry. So whenever we're in here, I want to add people. Let's say I want to add somebody in it. See this little person? It's like the universal Google symbol for adding a person. You'll see it in Google Classroom. You'll see it in Google Forms. I want to click this, and now I can add a collaborator. So let's add, there we go. Added myself, hit save. My other account, look, I have not accepted it yet. Boom, now it's through. Now I have access to that from my other email accounts. And that's how you add collaborators. That's how you add people. That's how you share that. Now, I can also go in and add content. So see I hover over this, it's the universal symbol for add image. You've seen this in slides, docs. Anytime you've added an image in there, this is the symbol. You can click this and you can go in and add a photo. Say I'll add a photo of, hey, look, there I am. Too much. This is too much, guys. But this photo gets added in, boom, I've added media to the top of it. All right, I can go in, add some more stuff. Let's add another image on my desktop. I'm gonna add in this lovely location. Add that in there. Look at this. See, I can add these media files into this note. And again, this is updating and sharing with the other email account that I am selecting. So I can also add drawings in there, grab some image text, things like that. So, but that's not what this is about. We've shared it and we have added materials to it. And now we have our Google Keep note. All right, guys, thank you so much. This is also, just for a fun fact, in your classroom, this is not a bad way to keep notes on students that you are like, you're building rapport with them. You could just be like, put their school photo that you're given from your administrators. You can put that here, name. It's just a good way at the beginning of the year to get to know them, remember them, all that stuff. So there you go. Thank you guys so much. And I hope you have the most wonderful day ever. Please, if you haven't yet, please hit that red subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And that way you could find me to where I could help guide you in this process of learning more about Google for education and let you be the hero in your classroom. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.